Hi there, Troy Thompson, Pinnacle Insurance Agency in Minnesota. A lot of people ask me what they should do after a hailstorm. And in Minnesota, we seem to have a hailstorm every single year, if not multiple hailstorms. And here's my advice. One thing, call your insurance agent, see if they recommend you putting in a claim, or have a trusted vendor to come out and look at your roof to determine if there is damage. A couple things I don't recommend doing are instantly calling in the claim, because you don't want to have a claim go on your report if there's not a payout or if there's no damage. Another thing is, don't let the door-to-door sales guys up on your roof. Oftentimes they go up there and even create damage, if you can believe that, which is fraud, and who wants that happening on their roof? But if you want solid advice like this from the best independent insurance agency in the state of Minnesota with the most 5-star Google reviews, watch this video now. Protecting your loved ones is everything. That's why you can't trust it to just anybody. Ryan, how many Google reviews are we at?
We are at 502 5-star Google reviews, Troy.
You need a team dedicated to protecting you from threats of financial ruin. With over 500 5-star Google reviews and counting, we provide the most competitive home and auto insurance in the Twin Cities. We are an independent agency, which means you have options from over 20 carriers, which provide you the best rates and value. When protecting your family is on the line, leave it to Pinnacle Insurance in Minnesota.